Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore your account PIN if you've forgotten it on your HONOR MagicBook. So if you've forgotten your account PIN, then if you have the I forgot my PIN button, then you can click on it and it'll go back to that page and you need to click on that again. Then if it shows Microsoft account, as you can see here, then you can just do it by entering your Microsoft account password if you know it. If you don't, then I'm gonna explain in a moment what you can do with it, but I'm just gonna enter it first. Then you will need to confirm with your email account. So I'm just gonna select my email. Sometimes there will be also phone number available. And you just need to enter the code that has been sent to your email, as you can see in here. And click on verify. Now you should be able to click on continue and change your PIN. Then re-enter it. Of course, if you want to include letters and symbols, you can select that checkbox. Then click on OK and your new PIN will be set. But if you either don't have Microsoft account shown as you click on I forgot my PIN, or you don't remember your Microsoft account password, then if you actually don't remember your Microsoft account password, you can reinstall Windows from USB. If you don't know how to do it, there is a video on our channel on how to do it on HONOR MagicBook. But I cannot 100% guarantee that it will not lock your drive with a BitLocker key, which in order to restore, you will need to have access to your Microsoft account. But as I've tried it before, it has never locked my drive with the BitLocker key, but I cannot guarantee that. Although, if it doesn't show you the Microsoft account, that means that you're logged in with local account, and then it should not lock your drive with BitLocker key, so you can freely install Windows from a USB drive, and feel free to do this. But remember that doing that will erase all the data from your drive. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.